muscles. What are the very important list? Yes, we have to concentrate the first, the important muscle, that is the posterior cricoid. It is considered as safety muscle of the larynx. Another muscle, as you know, that is the cricothyroid. Okay, now we are going to study other muscle. Can you see the brother of the posterior cricoid is lateral cricoid? Yes, this is the cricoid, this is the cricoid. One is posterior, another is lateral. Can you see two more brother arytenoid? Yes, these are transversally running and these are obliquely running. So these are the transverse arytenoid, this is the oblique arytenoid. And only one muscle is left, that is the thyroarytenoid. And the medial detached part of the thyroarytenoid is known as the vocalis. Yes, can you see this image? Yes, again this is the question from your AIMS exam, recent AIMS exam, few years back. Yes, there was one arrow over this muscle and they asked identify this muscle. Again I am telling you the larynx is difficult topic, very difficult topic, important for your ENT. Okay, but what you have to do, you have to remember, you have to do imagination, few important things in which two muscles are very most important. One is cricothyroid and another one is the posterior cricoarytenoid muscle. Now one by one, can you see what should be the name of this above bone? Yes, tell me the answer. Hyoid bone, very good. Now the bone below this hyoid, what should be the name of this bone? Thyroid cartilage. You are looking from the back side. Tell me what is the name of this leaf-shaped structure?
Epiglottis.
बहुत बढ़िया, epiglottis. Now if that is the epiglottis, then try to do imagination. This is the thyroid. So what should be the name of the cartilage which is located here? This is the thyroid. So cartilage below the thyroid is cricoid. This is the cricoid. Now tell me which cartilage is hidden inside on the above, on the posterior of the cricoid. Which cartilage is located here? Arytenoid is located here on the posterior side. Now try to do imagination. One muscle is coming from the cricoid and it is going to the arytenoid. Here is the arytenoid, this is the cricoid. So here is the arytenoid. So the muscle is coming from here and going to the muscular process of the arytenoid. So tell me what should be the name? Because it is coming from the posterior side, that's the posterior cricoid to the arytenoid, that's the posterior cricoarytenoid. And I told you, when this will contact the arytenoid, it will rotate in this way. So there will be the abduction. That's why this is known as the safety muscle of the larynx. Got it? अच्छा बेटा इसी का ही एक और पार्ट देखो. Can you see on the lateral side there is a one more brownish color? Yes, this muscle is on the lateral side from the cricoid to the arytenoid. So what should be the name of this muscle? Lateral cricoid to arytenoid. That's why lateral cricoarytenoid. Yes. See here, here is the arytenoid. So if here is the arytenoid, so both the arytenoids are joined together by the transverse directed fiber. Tell me what should be the name of this transverse directed fiber? Transverse in between the arytenoid. That's what transverse arytenoid. Now tell me what should be the name of this muscle fiber which are joining the two arytenoid in the oblique manner. So yes, these are the oblique arytenoid. Got it? Okay. So yes, we have seen the various muscles. Few muscles are left. We will see in another image. Yes, one more thing for the ENT, for the intubation, for the ventilation. Okay, can you see this is the opening of the larynx. So in the ENT you will be asked laryngeal inlet. तो बेटा laryngeal inlet ये आपको ENT में जरूर पूछा जाएगा. आप यहाँ से बता सकते हो क्या? What are the fold? What are the boundaries of the laryngeal inlet? Yes, tell me. That is the epiglottis, upper free margin of the epiglottis. Now on the posterior side, which cartilage is located here? Arytenoid cartilage. So the fold between the two arytenoid cartilage is known as interarytenoid fold. What is the name? Interarytenoid fold. Now see the fold between the arytenoids to the epiglottis. What should be the name? Yes, airy-epiglottic fold. What should be the name? Airy-epiglottic fold. So the laryngeal inlet are formed by one. First, upper margin of the epiglottis. Second, yes, airy-epiglottic fold, and last, interarytenoid fold. Got it? So this is the laryngeal inlet. So easy. अब बेटा लास्ट हम देखने जा रहे हैं कि एक मसल बच गई है सर. कौन सी मसल बच गई है? यस, थायरोएरिथ्रोइड और वोकैलिस. ठीक है, तो आप यहाँ पर आ जाओ फिर से इस इमेज में. दिस इमेज. ओके, यस. सी हियर, this was the front view of the larynx. Yes, hyoid bone, thyroid cartilage. Then this was the cricoid cartilage. Yes, Now turn this. So when you are turning, then this is the hyoid, this is the thyroid, this is the cricoid. We have seen on the posterior side of the cricoid, yes, this is the position of the arytenoid. Can you see from the arytenoid there is a vocal process, there is a vocal fold which is attached on the inner side of the thyroid cartilage, and just above this attachment there is the epiglottis. Now see on just lateral side to this there is the one brown color muscular fiber. Yes, just lateral to this vocal cord. Yes, try to give the name to this muscle because these muscles are attached between the thyroid and the arytenoid. So what should be the name of the muscle just lateral to this cord? That is the thyroarytenoid. Got it? Thyroarytenoid. Now see this thyroarytenoid muscle. This is having the small detached muscle fiber. This small detached fiber which are very close to this vocal cord, they are known as vocalis. क्या नाम है बेटा इसका? Vocalis. Yes, vocalis is nothing. Small medial detached part, small medial detached part of the vocal cord of the thyroarytenoid muscle is known as vocalis. बेटा vocalis का क्या काम है? जब ये vocalis muscle कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है, ओके, तो है ना, जब इसमें कॉन्ट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग वोकल कॉर्ड में भी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन होता है. सो यस, this is not only responsible for the tension on the vocal cord but it also controls the relaxation of the vocal cord which is known as modulator mechanism. तो बेटा एक क्वेश्चन है आपका, which is known as modulator of the vocal cord? Your answer is the vocalis muscle. What is the vocalis? Medial detached part of the thyroarytenoid muscle is known as vocalis. Got it? और बेटा एक मसल बच गई है और क्रिकोथायरॉइड. तो हम देख चुके हैं पहले ही थायराइड ग्लैंड जब पढ़ रहे थे तो यस, बिटवीन द क्रिकॉइड एंड द थायराइड कार्टिलेज देयर इज अ क्रिकोथायरॉइड. और एक ही चीज याद रखनी है क्या, ऑल द मसल्स ऑफ द लैरिंक्स दे आर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सिक्स्थ आर्च, दैट्स व्हाई दे मस्ट बी सप्लाइड बाय द नर्व ऑफ द सिक्स्थ आर्च, रिकरेंट लैरिंजियल नर्व. But the cricothyroid is the muscle of the fourth arch. Okay, so the nerve of the fourth arch, superior laryngeal nerve. But in case of the cricothyroid, the better answer is the external laryngeal.